Okay, Buchi, we have another piece of kit for your production scale-up efforts in this new lab. It's a combined modular flexible isolator along with a vacuum oven. The modular flexible isolator allows you to handle the HP API materials and Payload-Linker materials under a very high level of containment. It achieves down to a 10 nanogram per meter cubed exposure limit for an occupational exposure band level of 5. The system allows you to have segregated handling of API around the vacuum oven, and then a segregated handling of API for like weighing compounds, sample prep, any manipulation of the material that you don't want to mix up with anything that you're vacuum drying. The vacuum oven itself allows you to achieve 25 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius for a range of vacuum drying temperatures and vacuum drying speeds. Additionally, the system, the isolator itself, achieves that 10 nanogram per meter cube containment by using a Venturi system that has a negative pressure inside the isolator of 5 pascals to 15 pascals. This system uses a Venturi fan to achieve that, and it can use either compressed air or nitrogen. And if it uses nitrogen, it allows you to create an inert atmosphere inside the isolator, which is good for handling like moisture sensitive particles.
Very well said, Kevin. Especially the flexible isolator systems are becoming more and more important in Payload-Linker world, given that the production takes place and also the low OEL value of these type of compounds. It is better to handle in a flexible isolator system which is dedicated to that production need. Once the production is complete, we can safely dispose of the flexible isolator system. This avoids all the cleaning verification as well as the cross-contamination issues from one production to another production. Also, as you mentioned, the nitrogen inert atmosphere inside the isolator system is extremely important for payload-linkers, given that the payload-linkers are generally reactive molecules that can actually react in normal atmosphere. Having inert atmosphere makes it easy for the operators to really handle the molecules without any quality compromise. Also, having the oven attached, as you mentioned, allows us to handle the product without really taking out and also compromising with contamination or exposure to the operators. The flexible isolator systems can also do the unit operations. We can easily fabricate these to our project specific needs. We can replace an oven, or we can add on a lyophilizer system, or else a high power sieve system to the same isolator, which is very important. And also we can do these project specific modifications on the go, and it helps really solve our purpose of production towards the end.
Excellent.